Hi everyone. I just want to welcome you to the Greater Essex County District School Board's Virtual Academy. My name is David Gomes and I'm the e-learning contact for our district. The GECDSB is committed to your success as a student in your online course, and we want to support you in any way possible. Our experienced teachers will be there to guide you in your learning throughout the course, and we're confident that you're going to have a great experience. To access your course, you'll have to navigate to your home board's virtual learning environment. For GECDSB students, this can be found on the main publicboard.ca website by scrolling down to the bottom and selecting the orange icon titled Online and Blended Learning Resource Site. Here, you're going to be asked to log in using your Office 365 credentials, which is your student number and password, the same one you use to log in to school computers or on school Wi-Fi. If you're taking a course within our board, your course should appear in this My Courses area once you gain access to it on the first day of the semester. But if you're taking a course outside the GECDSB, or if you're a student from another board taking a course with us, you're going to find that course under the My Courses in Other Boards widget, wherever that's located on your school board's virtual learning environment site. Once inside your course, your teacher will guide you from there on how you can submit work to them, participate in online discussions, and even meet face-to-face with them through a virtual chat. One last thing, if at any time you're having difficulty in the course for whatever the circumstance, please be sure to let your teacher know early. Again, our entire e-learning department is committed to you, the learner, and believe that you can achieve success. We're excited to embark upon this journey with you through your e-learning course and are hoping to help you in any way that we can.